Hey everybody, it's Chris from 2911 Homestead, and I have a short video to show you today of a new product being released by PTO Link. It's the HD PTO adapter. Makes attaching PTO shafts to your tractor a little bit easier. So to show you all about it, I'm going to turn it over to Dave, who I interviewed at the National Farm and Machinery Show a few weeks back.
We've got a new product coming out in just any day now, and that's going to include a different technology on the pins. Let me show you that one. This is called the HD Plus. It's going to come with two quarter locking pins. So we're going to get rid of this standard pin and go to a double pin. This is going to work just like the other, except a little quicker. Let me show you how this works. I can just four studs, two at the bottom, push together, give it that half-inch twist, and I'm completely done. When I'm getting ready to uncouple it, I just pull these out, give it a half-inch turn, locks that open, pull that on both sides, and then I can just uncouple it. Quick and easy, upgraded HD Plus.
So we just saw the new product for PTO Link. It is very similar to their current product. Biggest difference is now that there are two fixed pins instead of one fixed pin and one loose pin that you can potentially lose. It's a really cool product. So if you're looking for something to make it easier to hook up your PTO shaft to your tractor, go ahead and take a look at PTO Link. I'll leave a link to their product page in the description below. Thanks and have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next one.